Let's learn Zulu words for transportation in 60 seconds. A car is imoto. A bus is ibhasi. A train is isitimela. A taxi is itekisi. A bicycle is ibhayisikili. An airplane is indiza. And a boat is isikepe. Now let me give you quick phrases. Ngifuna ukuya edolobheni. I want to go to town. Kubiza malini? How much? Ngicela ukwehla la. May I please get dropped off here? Subscribe for more.